Dwayne at RealFixItRealFast.com. Today we're working on a 99 Toyota 4Runner with a 3.4 engine. The driver came in and basically said it's just not running right. We took it on a short drive and it feels like it's got a misfire. I'd like to duplicate that for you now. The engine's running, now we're going to load torque the engine. Now you should be able to hear that on the video. It's just a constant, steady misfire. If you go over and look at the tailpipe, you can actually hear it better. So oftentimes we go to the scanner first. So we've got the scanner hooked up. We've got different data that's available to us. This is an OBD2, it's a 99. But we're going to customize this and turn everything off. And actually, if you look down here, I can pick misfires. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to look at misfire counts and select those. And when it comes up now, we've got our cylinders and it's showing the misfires. Now I'm going to brake torque the engine. We'll get it to misfire. You can hear the engine misfiring, but there's no misfire counts. So the scanner is not going to be much help to us at this point. So it's nice having these scanners. Sometimes they'll pinpoint the misfire, but in this case it's no use to us. Oftentimes guys will say, well, that's good information, but I don't have one of those expensive scanners. Well, in this case, on this vehicle, neither do we, because it's not going to help us. So we're going to have to go back to the old way of trying to find this misfire. So what do you think is wrong with this vehicle? Post your comment as to what you think the problem is. Then in part number 2, we're going to gather evidence.